Hello everyone, welcome to Solomon BLOEMEN's vlog. This time we'll be visiting the famous Keukenhof gardens in Holland to see some springbok flowers. Every time we go to interesting places, we'll try to document them in our vlog, so don't forget to subscribe. We arrived in the garden in the first day of the opening in late March. So it's a bit early in the season, but we get to see a lot of daffodils, hyacinths, cherry blossoms and crocuses, which are also very beautiful. Transport to the garden is very easy, bus or driving are equally convenient. Here's a map of the garden grounds. You can see that there are parks and also some pavilions. Enough to see for a whole day. Since it's still early in the season, the garden is not crowded. You can take pictures quite easily without getting in the people's ways. Cherry blossoms and hyacinths are in full bloom, so the fragrance is out of this world. Miffy is all around, as you can see. A casual stroll and you'll find every corner you turn is a scenic spot. When you get too tired, you can even have a nap between the flowers. There are many tulips around, but the more showy ones are kept indoors in the pavilions. It is literally a riot of colors. I highly recommend only going on a sunny day because the sunlight lights up everything and makes everything look so nice and heavenly. Outside the garden, there are lots of flower fields. A bike ride around the fields is a must. Large blocks of colors of daffodils, hyacinths, and crocuses are filling the air with intense sweetness. You can take on different routes to see the fields, spending your time and energy in your own very special way. It is literally stunning. So every year in March or April, mark your calendar and pay a visit to this magical place. 大家好，歡迎嚟到我嘅頻道，我係 Dr. Solomon。喺呢個頻道，我會同大家分享所有關於花嘅藝術同埋插花嘅知識，同埋分享所有美好嘅事物。記得 subscribe、like 同埋留言，同埋撳埋呢個鐘仔，你就唔會錯過我哋每一次嘅 update 啦。